Hello, friends. Welcome to Alfia Reads. Today we're going to move, jump, and play because we're learning about action words. Crawl, crawl. The baby learns to crawl. Open, open. The door was left open. Dance, dance. When we hear music, we dance. Run, run. The children run quickly to the park. Walk, walk. We walk to school. Stand, stand. She can stand up. Play, play. The children like to play in the park. Jump, jump. The boy will jump all day. Laugh, laugh. The boys laugh when they are happy. Drink, drink. I drink water when I am thirsty. Write, write. I write a letter to my mother. Think, think. I think it's going to rain today. Read, read. I like to read my favorite books. Ride, ride. I like to ride my bike through the forest. Cry, cry. I cry when I am sad. Clean, clean. I clean my home every day. Sleep, sleep. Babies need sleep to grow. Sing, sing. My sister thinks she can sing. Sneeze, sneeze. I sneeze when I am around a cat. Clap, clap. We clap our hands when the music feels right. Kick, kick. My sister can kick very high. Answer, answer. When my phone rings, I answer. Lies, lies. Sometimes people tell lies. Look, look. When I wake up, I look out of the window. Listen, listen. When someone is talking, I listen. Lock, lock. I lock the door when I leave. Paint, paint. I paint a picture for my husband. Build, build. I would like to build a doghouse. Buy, buy. I need to buy some eggs. Sew, sew. I would like to sew a dress. Cook, cook. I need to cook dinner today. Climb, climb. If I try, I can climb really high. Cut, cut. I cut the paper for my craft project. Smell, smell. I love the smell of flowers. Dig, dig. I dig in the ground to grow a garden. Study, study. I need to study to pass the test. Teach, teach. She will teach me how to do my math. Wink, wink. I wink when I get dust in my eye. Chew, chew. When you chew, close your mouth. Pout, pout. The little girl pouts when she doesn't get what she wants. Scream, scream. I scream when I am mad. Grasp, grasp. The baby holds his father's grasp. Throw, throw. I throw the snow in the air. Yawn, yawn. I yawn when I am exhausted. Carry, carry. I need to carry my donations to the thrift store. Spin, spin. When I spin, I get dizzy. Spin. Hug, hug. I love to hug my mother. whisper, whisper. I whisper into my sister's ear. Smile, smile. I smile when I see my friends. Sick, sick. I did not wash my hands and now I am sick. Bite, bite. The dog bites. Read, imagine, and grow, one page at a time. Like, share, and subscribe.